Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start lesson number 13, decision making. In our earlier lesson, logical and reasoning, after that lesson we are going to start directly lesson number 13 because there is a correlation between the two chapters. In our previous lesson, logical and reasoning, we have seen that most of our decision making and reactions to the situations or problems that are still based on the logic. So logic and this decision making, that two are very correlated to with one another. That's why we are going to start this lesson. Now we'll start the lesson decision making. So students, in our day-to-day life we have to face many situations, course of actions, problems, and in order to make the decision we have to choose between the best possible alternatives. In front of us there are many solutions, choices are available. That time we are thinking which option we have to select, in which direction our logic is going. Is our logic going to the right direction? It is going to the wrong direction. If our logic is going to the right direction, then we can get to the correct conclusion. If our logic is going with the wrong direction, then our decision will be wrong or we can reach to the wrong conclusion. So that's why decision making is a very important thing. When we are having number of problems, or if we caught in any problem, any situation, and we have to find a best solution, that time decision making process is very important. So how to do the decision making, that we are going to study by this chapter. So problem solving planning is very important part of decision making. Here some methods are given. That methods are very or highly useful for making the best assessments, alternatives or choices. We have to select the logical choice from the possible options. One should write the positive or negative each option. So here we are speaking about the logic. We have to wait what is the positive and negative logics. If we will select this particular decision, then what will be the reaction, or what will be the output of the particular decision, that we have to think. Means we have to see both the side, positive as well as the negative sides. Then another thing he said, we have to consider all the alternatives as well as forecasting the outcome of each options. Based on all these items, we have to decide which choice is best and suitable for the particular purpose. So here many alternatives are there in front of us. We cannot do the forecasting also because we are not sure about the decision which we took. Is it right or is it wrong? So that's why for a particular situation, which decision will be suitable, that we have to think logically. We can say it is a method for systematically selecting among the possible choices, that is based on the objects and the facts. Another thing he said, that is that one should choose analytical steps before choosing a particular course of action. What are that analytical steps, that we will see. So first step is given here, that is uncertain factors. So if you are finding the solution, that time many uncertain factors, many risk factors will stand in front of us. So that are very important. We have to think about these factors because decision making is a very tough task. Another thing is that, so not only that two thing, but we have to find the another alternatives and its consequence also. We have to think other people's views and reactions also. We have to generate the alternatives. We have to consider different perspective and look the problem or situation based off that objectives. We can find whether the course of action is feasible with lesser or greater efforts. Next thing we have to do, that is we have to look into the difficulties and dangers. If we will take particular decision, we should not caught in any difficulty or in any danger. We have to look the short term, medium or long term consequences before taking the decision. Again, here we have to find out the different objectives also to achieve our goal or purpose. So in this way, decision making process is very important. We have to take our decision through logical way. We have to consider above all the factors which we have discussed before taking any decision. I hope you have understood the simple chapter of decision making. Thank you very much.